Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. An arithmetic sequence, right? This is a question on arithmetic sequences. Right, I'm told it has 30 terms. First term is A, that's pretty standard. Common difference is D. The 20th term is 123. I can easily, well, I don't know about easily, but I can straight away write that means that the first term plus 19 differences, because that would be the 20th term, is equal to 123. I've got one equation already with A and D. Now, the sum of the first 30 terms, is 2,818. I can write another equation now. The sum of the first 30 terms, that will be 30 over 2. Remember, you've got this formula, n minus 1 is 29. You've got this formula on your formula sheet. We know the sum of the first 30 terms is 2,880. Now I've got two equations in A and D, so I can solve these simultaneously. Let's just simplify this one first, shall we? 15 multiplied by 2A plus 29D equals 2,880. Multiply out the bracket. 29 times 15, 435 equals 2,880. So there's my first, well, that can be my first equation if you like. Here's my second equation. And I have to solve these simultaneously. Well, I'm going to get the A's equal and then subtract. So I'm going to multiply this bottom one by 30. And I'll multiply the top one by 1 if you're somebody who likes to think, what am I doing to the top one? You're leaving it the same, but you can imagine that you're multiplying it by 1 if you prefer. Right, 30 times A is 30A plus 30 times 19, 570. D equals 30 times 123, 3,690. I'm going to subtract the equations now. So I'm going to have 30A minus 30A, forget it. 435 minus 570 minus 135D equals 2,880 minus 3,690. Minus 810. Divide both sides by minus 135. 6. D is 6. Okay. And now I can substitute that into here. I can substitute into lots of different equations, but I'm going to substitute into there to find A. So I know that A plus 19 times 6 equals 123. So A plus 19 times 6, 114, equals 123. So A is 123 minus 114. A is 9. Work out the value of A and the value of D. Show clear algebraic working. I've done that. So A is 9, D is 6. And that is worth 5 marks, and it's a question 24. So the examiners obviously feel that that is a question of note. So well done if you followed that through. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.